Chapter 1, Rational Number. A very good morning to all. This is class 7. First chapter is rational number. Starting before rational number, we have to know some points like natural number, whole number and integers. So students, first we have to discuss what is the natural number. What is the natural number? First we have to know. One thing is that here natural number. What is the natural number? We know that all counting number are known as natural number. One, two, three, 4, etc. These are counting number known as natural number. Second thing is that whole number. What is the whole number? Number that is the group. Which type of group? A group of natural number along with 0 is known as whole number. We can write a group of natural number along with 0 is called whole number. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So another is that integer. What is the integer? Before knowing integer, we have to know what is the negative natural number. One thing is here, this is natural number is known as always positive integer, a positive natural number. This is known as the positive natural number because here is the plus sign, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, etc. So we can say this is a positive natural number. Means natural number is, we can say, positive natural numbers. So we have to find what is the negative natural number. That means here negative natural number, we can say opposite of natural numbers are known as negative natural numbers, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Okay, so third point is integers. What is the integers? This is the group of opposite natural number, 0 positive natural number. A group of negative natural numbers, positive along with zero. Known as integers. Means this is the integer. This is the group of integer. So here is the three things. This is the negative natural number, this is the 0, this is the positive, this is the positive natural numbers. So clear? Natural numbers. What is the natural number? We know. What is the whole number? We know. And what is the integers? We know. So here we have to one thing and another, that is the fraction. What is the fraction? We have to know. Fractions. What is the fraction? We have to know. In earlier classes, we know what is the fraction already. So, a number in the form of P by Q a number in the form of P by Q is called fraction. where P and Q are natural numbers. Example, 2/3, 6/9, 4/3, etc. This is and this both are natural number. Both are natural numbers. 2/3 we can understand graphically. By diagram we can understand what is the 2/3. This is the 3 part of the whole. Here is 2/3. This is the 2/3. So this part is known as 2/3. So clear? What is a fraction? A fraction in the form of P by Q is called fraction, where P and Q are natural numbers. By example, we can understand easily. Through the diagram, we can also understand from class 3, we know. So we can understand easily. Okay, so we have to start our current topic, that is rational number. What is the rational number? Rational number is a number in the form of P by Q is called rational number, where P and Q, PQ are integers. PQ are integers. And we know what is a fraction. Fraction is also a number in the form of P by Q is called fraction. But one thing is here, in fraction, P and Q are natural numbers. But here is the P and Q are integers. That is the difference between rational number and fraction. Two by three, that is the rational number. That is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. This is also a rational number. But are rational numbers. But 5 by 0 is not. And Q not equal to 0. here is one thing is left. A number in the form of p by q is called rational number, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. That is the complete definition of rational number. And 2 by 3 and 2 by minus 3, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by minus 3 and 0 by 5 are known as a rational number. But 5 by 0 is not a rational number. Rational number because its denominator is 0, and we know that by the definition of rational number, denominator should not be 0. Also, in case of fraction, denominator should not be 0. So 0 by 5 is a rational number, but 5 by 0 is not a rational number because denominator should not be 0. Note: difference between fraction and rational number. What is the difference between, here is a one question raised, what is the difference between fraction and rational number? Anybody will ask to me what is the difference if we talk about, if we discuss about rational number, they can ask what is the difference between rational number and fraction. So we can say a fraction cannot be negative, but a rational number can be negative. This is the most difference between the fraction and rational number. Here we have to start the worksheet 1. You can make a note in your notebook. Just pause the video and write